There's something about a cold January morning that just invites stillness. It's the kind of morning when you can finally settle into a comfortable chair with a hot cup of coffee, a good book, or maybe an old Hollywood classic flickering softly in the background. It's a time for quiet reflection. Welcome to the Storyteller's Compass, a channel crafted like a well-worn book you might stumble upon at an estate sale. It's full of memories, gentle wisdom, and stories worth revisiting. I'm Connie, proudly of the baby boomer generation, and I'm your guide through each chapter of this creative journey we're on together. Today, I want to shine a light on a very special corner of our channel. It's one created especially for the bird lovers and the bird watchers among us. Now, if you've been with me for a while, you know that early on, I shared videos celebrating the beautiful variety of birds the Lord has given us to enjoy. In fact, years ago, I even owned parakeets, and during that time, many fellow bird enthusiasts found their way to the channel. I have a feeling some of you are still here, and it's so good to have you, so I thought it was time for a new chapter. We're launching a brand new playlist, and it's called Bird Keeping Guide, Care, Health, Setup and Tips for Raising Happy Birds. Think of it as a complete chapter in our Storyteller's Compass book. It's a full guide for anyone who wants to raise healthy, joyful birds. Now, whether you're brand new to bird ownership or you have years of experience under your belt, this series is designed to walk you through all the essentials with clarity and care. It's all about creating the best possible life for these wonderful creatures. Inside this playlist, you're going to discover a wealth of information. We'll cover how to set up the perfect cage and create an environment where your bird will thrive. We'll dive deep into feeding and nutrition tips to keep your birds healthy and vibrant. We'll also talk about common health issues and, more importantly, how to prevent them. You'll find practical, loving advice for raising your birds with patience and the proper care they deserve. We even touch on what types of people make the best bird owners, helping you decide if this journey is right for you. From canaries and finches to parrots and even more exotic species, this playlist is designed to help bird lovers everywhere create safe, nurturing homes for their feathered companions. I wanted to put everything in one place, making it easy for you to find exactly what you need when you need it. It's a resource I wish I had when I first started my own bird keeping adventure. And who knows, if you're not a bird lover yet, you might just discover a brand new hobby waiting for you. Sometimes all it takes is one video, one story, or one tiny flutter of wings to spark something new in your heart. This playlist is not just about the technical aspects of care. It's about the joy and the connection that these amazing animals bring into our lives. So I invite you to explore the bird keeping guide, watch a video or two, share it with a friend who might be interested, and let me know what you think. Your feedback helps us build this community and make it a better place for everyone. The playlist is live on the channel page right now, ready for you to dive in. Until next time, surround yourself with the things you love. Don't worry, be happy. Thanks for watching.